Maritime Offshore Group is a startup company founded 4 years ago, and our main focus is to develop a new foundation structure for the wind offshore industry. The major business challenge is to create a cost-reduced structure for foundations, but I think that we have found an answer with Hexabase. I tried to find out how nature behaviors act with to make something strong, but in a very light manner. If you look to the Hexabase, it seems like a small coral because it's very light in the structure, but it's very stable against all the forces produced by big wind turbine generators.
So Hexabase is a complex geometric structures. So the idea of Hexabase is to have the structure as simple as possible. So if you just have one node maybe, or maybe two nodes, and the rest of the structures are just pipes and tubes. To create that, it's very difficult.
We choose Dassault Systèmes, the 3DEXPERIENCE platform on the cloud, because we have to guarantee a high degree of quality and professionality in our design work to our customers. In Dassault Systèmes, we saw a software provider with a high level of data security, and because there's no ramp up of weeks of implementation of any software, one key feature of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform on cloud is to be able to work at any place at any time.
I just needed maybe 1 week to understand all the functionality. I think with 3DEXPERIENCE it enables quicker experimentation because of the apps. So yeah, I like the new design and the way to construct because it's very clearly structured. So if you start one app, then you just have the functionality for that part of design, so you can work more directly, and so you just see what you need in that moment. So we always use templates to create new structures. With the new structure, it's very easy to build a skeleton. That means you can put all your data or your products on that skeleton, and if you move the skeleton some lengths or line distances or whatever, then everything moves with your skeleton. There you can have all views without any stop or any delay in rotate. So that's very nice to work with that. One example to simplify processes is that you can see the last modifications. You have a documentation inside the cloud, inside every part, so you can see the whole history of this part. This is what 3DEXPERIENCE platform on the cloud helps us to work and to manage work and to create our structure.
With the 3DEXPERIENCE platform on cloud, we are able to act flexible in the license models. So at the end, we are flexible in planning resources and capacities for our design work. Yeah, this helped to control the cost.
It was my intention not to bind financial assets in IT assets. And therefore, I take the decision to take the solution of Dassault Systèmes with a cloud solution.
For us as a customer, it's quite easy to get updates on the platform once they were rolled out by Dassault Systèmes. We choose Technia Transcat because of its high reputation on the market to implement the platform into our design processes and workflow.
Hexabase, or our Design to Coast Foundations portfolio, is a very high standardized foundation structure. I think it matches very good with the idea behind the platform of Dassault Systèmes.